Hi Libra, welcome to Aurora Hotels. Wishing you a very happy 2021. This is your yearly forecast for the year 2021 for Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. To hear more monthly updates and more oracle readings, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from Aurora Hotels. So we have the spread laid out over here. In this reading, we will cover how 2020 has been for you, what are the lessons learned, what are the goals and aspirations for 2021, what will empower you to reach those goals, what limitations you would need to resolve in 2021. Then we will also cover various aspects of your life, be it relationship, career, health, finance. We will also have a quarter-wise view to the year 2021. So let's get started. So we have Five of Swords in the previous year. Five of Swords in this position generally represents a period in your life when you did not have a solid foundation to fall back. I see unhealthy competition, words could have been hurtful, lies were told, and your weakness was used against you. At work, you were really unhappy. I see more hostile environment for some of you. You didn't feel safe and comfy. Think about what you want to do and start establishing routes towards it, especially if you are unhappy where you are. Some of you may be in an abusive relationship. If you are the dominating one, you are losing more than you are gaining. Some of you may have had a fight for a property, or some may have also had a critical fight for alimony. And if you are still in the midst of a divorce, I do see some issue and dispute towards finances and the divorce getting a bit messy with too much of you said and I said kind of a situation. You are probably fighting a battle wherein even if you win, you cannot win by humiliating the other side. So just be sure that you know what you're doing. For some of you, the year must have ended in a bit resentful mode. You would have been bitter and probably brooding about something. We all see failure in our lives, but it's only through learning from them that we grow. There's always a new sunrise on a new day. So look at the brighter side as you start your year. On the good side, some of you would have invested in a brand new car or a home. Some of you would have even got renovation done at home. So let's move to your next card, Emperor, which is signaling the lessons that you would have learned in the past year. So those who would have been harassed at workplace or bullied at workplace would have decided to start their own business or be their own boss. Irrespective, it's time for you to make that new start. Sense of stability and security would be of utmost importance for you this year. You are looking at carving out your own niche and to create that differentiation for yourself. If you are in a relation, couple may work together towards building up their own empire. So let's move to the next card, which is aspirations and goals that you would have for 2021. We have Two of Pentacles here. So you are juggling into various things and you're definitely adept at multitasking. Some of you may have more than one job for financial support. Those investing in stocks and shares, you are stretching your money to see as far as possible, but it works for you. Some of you may turn your hobby into a career. From relationship perspective, you may need to prioritize and spend quality time with each other. Singles, the love you had for somebody in the past will affect how you feel now. But try not to project personalities from previous partners into the new ones. Meet new people and have a different perspective and see how it goes. So let's see what would empower you to reach your aspiration and goals in 2021. So we have King of Cups here. I would take out one more card to highlight the King of Cups because King of Cups may also mean a characteristic defining you or somebody in your life. So you feel confident and competent. Though starting on their own may find a partner who could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or a Pisces. He or she, likelihood it may be a male partner, would share the same compassion as you have. In case you're looking for a healer or a yoga teacher, Reiki master, you may be able to find someone who would prove really helpful for you. Trust your instincts strongly. Let's move next to what may be standing in your way of reaching your aspirations. So we have Knight of Swords over here. Knight of Swords in this position for sure warns some of you to not spend our energy without any direction. It will just make you more restless and agitated. You might want to act quickly to get things rolling, but the capacity for your progression to happen just isn't there yet. You might be trying to step ahead in your work or relationship, taking on extra responsibilities or trying new things too quickly with your partner. You need to cool off and calm down. There is no rush in life. Everybody goes at their own pace, and sometimes you have to take a step back. Let's move to various aspects of your life. So let's start with your relationships. We have a Devil over here. I'll take out one more card to just highlight this position well. So we have Ace of Swords over here. You seem to be in a competitive relationship. Both parties are kind of playing a one-up game with each other. You may feel that your relationship is getting stagnated. Your relationship can be salvaged if you are determined to do so. We have an Ace of Swords over here. Some of you do seem to have very high ideals for your relationship. You need to come to the middle ground. And Ace of Swords also highlights communication, which is the most important thing for your relationship right now. Your emotions can go extreme, so just have a check on that. Some of you may snap ties if you feel your freedom is being threatened. If you are single, some of you may be desperate to be with someone. You may have the success of being with that person. However, do check you don't end up paying a heavy price for it. Let's move to career and finances. So we have Eight of Pentacles over here. So be it work or education, it means continued success and growth. Expect promotions and even more advanced workload. Some of you may even go into a leadership position. As said, be sure to follow your passion and your own goals and not what others expect of you. However, make sure you don't get so absorbed in the details that you miss the big picture. Stay relevant and invest your time in learning new skills. Let's move to your health and well-being. We have Three of Pentacles over here. Some of you may get a cosmetic surgery done, like a LASIK for eyes or any other beauty enhancements to feel more confident in a group of people. So some of you may be even working in a beauty industry or intend to do so. Some of you may join a group yoga class or any fitness class to feel more motivated and focus on your health regime. Overall, you're determined to maintain a strict yet fun regime for your health. Then we have Ten of Wands in the position highlighting your spiritual energy. You will need to manage stress and physical exertion. Some of you may be going overboard with work and doing too many things at one time. Some of you may be even taking burden of something that happened in the past. It's time to let go. Concentrate on now. So let's move to how each quarter is going to be for you. So let's move to quarter one, which is Jan to March. So we have Lovers card over here. So let me just take out one more card. We have Two of Swords over here. If you are married or in a relationship, you and your partner are involved in an uneasy truce regarding a major life issue. If you can't come up with a mutually satisfactory solution, then maybe you should take a break from each other. So from work front perspective, you may be in a conflicting or an indecisive situation. We have Two of Swords here. So probably some of you may be caught in the middle of a negotiation, which has come to a standstill. Some of you may be even having two job opportunities. However, you are not able to decide which one to go for. If you're single, you may have two propositions. However, you aren't sure which one to choose. You are losing time and maybe even the one who may be right for you. So it is time for you to decide wisely. Make an effort to engage in an open and honest conversation and take responsibility for your choices. Have the courage to do the right thing so that you have a real shot at true happiness in the future. Let's move to the next quarter, which is April to June. We have Three of Wands over here. The change you've been waiting for is within your sight. You are going to see the fruits of the hard work you have put in. you will see that your efforts would have started working towards better benefits, be it profit, be it orders, or even be it your core work areas. You would be able to finish your work and your responsibility. You surely are prepared to leap forward with much hard work and vigor now. Let's take out one more card. We have Knight of Wands over here. So some of you may even travel out of country for work purpose. If you are waiting for news from a job interview, it could be a good news. If you are married or in a relationship, you will need to stop being overbearing and let your individual personality grow. Maybe it's time to discover a new adventurous side of your partner. If you are single, you may be picky. We also have Hermit in this spread, which could mean online friendship turning into romance by end of the year. Since we are all working online, you may find someone working at your workplace or related to your workplace. From the previous cards, it looks like the person was always in front of you and probably you were looking somewhere else. So let's move to the next quarter, which is July to September. We have 10 of Cups over here. I would take out one more card. We have 6 of Swords over here. For those in distressed relationship, may decide to separate. At work, you may move out of a role or even job. There is a definite clash of ideas around you. It may be the universe telling you to move on. It's time to find your true purpose. Let's move to the next quarter, which is Q4, October to December. Let's see how your year would end. So we have Hermit over here. Some of you may be growing apart in your relationship, and in spite of your efforts or efforts by your partner, the distance between you only grows. This might be causing you some loneliness and sadness, but the Hermit also invites you to focus on yourself and your own needs and desires. Irrespective of the situation that you are in, reassess what are the goals and what would you want in your relationship so that you can build that strong foundation. At work, it's time for you to look out how you can nurture your talent. You may also be able to guide some of your peers and team members on a project. Let's move to what will be the theme card for 2021. So we have Queen of Pentacles over here. This is definitely defining your energy and the change that you will be able to bring over the course of the year. You for sure will have a down-to-earth and a practical approach to life and situations. It is very important for you to have work-life balance, to have a solid foundation both at work and at home. Since you have a Queen of Pentacles over here, you will definitely take enjoyment in material pleasures and be very proud of the success that you're going to achieve in this year. This is also a very nurturing card. Try and also work towards a cause, especially helping underprivileged people. So it could be providing for homeless people, contributing in child education, any cause that is close to your heart. It is always important to give back to the society. So here we close your reading. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for more updates. Much love.